Whip your pussy out.
What? What the fuck did you just say? Yo, what's up, dudes and dudettes?
What's up, dudes and dudettes?
Welcome back to the A Show, the #1 primetime hit pop new single by your boys.
Oh, dude, that's a fucking awesome name. You just hit it right on the head right there. Prime time.
So on this show or video, I don't know what the fuck this is. We get things from Amazon. We don't know what it is, and we give it to each other.
Okay.
I have this for you. I was gonna give this to you last episode, but I thought I would save it for this episode because this is just something I don't really know. I think you can do a lot with this, and I just really wanted you to have it, and maybe.
Do you remember
put it
what
somewhere.
it is? Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember what it is. It's pretty cool.
Well, there's actually staples in the end.
Yeah, just use your fingernails.
I can't pull that out.
Do you have a knife back here? We used to have a knife.
There were knives back there somewhere, right there, but that's not real. That's not real.
It could still work. Yeah, I have a pair.
This doesn't work.
I have a pair of scissors.
This doesn't work.
This thing's like minimal wear anyway.
This doesn't work either.
What do you mean? It's fucking scissors.
Dude, those are bolts in there. Like what? What's in
those
here?
up.
What's in here that like you would need?
Obviously, someone doesn't want the package to leak.
This is stupid, man. What? Who packaged this? Like, is this Amazon's work? Like, this is just ridiculous. You can't even get this off. Like, you can't. You can't get this off. You can't get this off. I'm sorry. You can't get this off.
Whoa! Whoa! You don't know what's inside.
Well, I guess
what if it's fragile, dude?
Still can't get it.
You got it off. There you go. I guess you got it.
It's crooked now.
What is this bad boy?
Is this like something to hang up here?
Could be. Could very well be. What do you think of that?
Kind of fucked up, man. It's kind of fucked up.
That's a decal.
It's an old lady with an inhaler.
Yeah.
Do you know this woman?
Not particularly. I'm sure she lived a great life.
You think she's dead?
You could put it above your bed. That's one of the good places I can think of right off the top of my head.
Well, thank you. I mean, this is truly a wonderful gift. So thoughtful. Well, it certainly is a woman with an asthma inhaler. It's just a really old woman.
Yeah, they left that part out. Do you want me to read some of the reviews for this?
I mean, yeah, sure. We were doing that before we were reading reviews. Why not read some more reviews?
This one's by Connie P.
Okay.
She wrote that last month. In March, she wrote this. I didn't know how to properly honor my grandma when she passed away. Framed photographs seemed too cliche. Keeping her ashes wasn't something she wanted. Wearing her clothing seemed a bit morbid, and naming my firstborn after her was out of the question. Sorry, but Agnes just isn't something I feel comfortable naming my child. Then I found this peel away sticker and found that I could memorialize my dear, dear grandmother in a way that not only resonated with me, but kept her memory alive. I always grew up loving wall decals, and I thought, why not make my grandmother into a tasteful wall decal? This way I can remember her in a sentimental way, and my kids can remember her not as boring grandma in the old photograph, but as cool, hip grandma as a sleek sticker that is on my wall. I really love that it's not some posed picture, but grandma doing something she loved, obtaining oxygen, in a picture she wasn't ready for. It's like she's still here with us, but a lot cooler and asking less invasive questions. So thanks for making grandma live on forever in my house, permanently in my wall. Trust me, that sticker does not come off.
Oh, well, good thing I didn't put it anywhere yet. It's not gonna come off. What do I do with it? What the fuck? It's not gonna come off.
Should put it above Trevor's computer. That way it can never come off. Do you want to go do that?
Yeah, we should put it on.
Or we should put it above his computer.
Let's put it on the computer.
Like on his computer or above it?
Up over it.
Up over it?
by Monday. You can do that on.
Hey, Trevor.
Ew, what the fuck? What is that? No, no.
Meet Agnes.
It's so gross. I don't want that on my fucking wall.
Oh, there's a bubble in her shoulder. What do you think that is?
Could be some type of cyst.
Oh God! Here you go. Well, look at that.
That was a
Good
good
job.
purchase right there. And we can write that off because it's used in the office.
All right. Is it my turn now? Or
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I want something. Give me something.
Alright, I gotta go get yours real quick.
Ooh.
As you know, I like to get you things that you can actually,
What is this?
do activity-wise.
Yes. It's a pattern here in these 2 episodes. What is that? What the fuck is this?
That's a bra that you can wear, and at the same time, it has a liquid dispenser in it that you can fill up and use a straw that comes out of the bra and into your mouth, and you can drink straight from your bra. Straight from your bra.
You want me to put this on? Is that? How the fuck does this work? Does this have a seal on it or something?
Oh!
The fuck was that? That's like a siphon, dude.
You're siphoning it out of your tits.
That was pure CO2.
Oh,
That was pure
no.
CO2 that just went in my mouth.
Oh, it's bubbling. Look at that. It's bubbling. Wow.
Ugh. Hey, that's pretty good.
It also says while increasing your cup size as well.
Yeah, my cup size definitely increased after wearing this. I can vouch for that.
So would you say this is a grade A product?
This is a 10 out of 10.
Ah.
This is at least that, if not more.
Let me read you a review for this bad boy here.
Oh,
Okay. There's one right here. Chunkier biscuits and chowders do tend to get stuck in the hose, but a rack full of minestrone is a treat for wearer and onlooker alike.
why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that?
You're making a really weird face and making a really disgusting sound.
It's still going. It's almost done.
I could squeeze a bit more out.
Stop. It's gotta be fun for everybody.
Ugh.
Oh God. Well, you're fucked now.
Fun for everyone, right?
Oh my God. Oh shit. Okay, well, what's next? What's next? What else do we have here?
I got you this thing. It's not as...
Yeah. Oh God. Oh my goodness.
Maybe that's not yours. Oh, never mind. That's not... That was mine, but you can have that.
What? These are yours?
Yeah.
They're bacon mints. That's it. Bacon mince. The fuck is this?
Just those were supposed to be mine, but I gave you the wrong package.
So where's the good stuff?
I think it's still being shipped. It's in Japan right now. But you can have those. You like that?
Oh no! Fuck that! Oh god. I'm gonna put it in my mouth because this isn't nearly as bad as what I'm gonna make you do.
Really? Does that mean this wasn't bad enough? I'm wearing a fucking bra right now filled with beer.
It gets worse.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Oh, this is not. No. Oh, bad. Ugh. Ugh. I don't like it. No.
What is it? What am I? Oh, wow. A fork and knife. The fuck is that?
It's my second gift.
You fucking serious? Pioneer owl pellets? So it's owl shit. You got me owl shit. I'm not eating it if that's what you're eating. I'm not gonna eat this.
No, you don't eat them.
I'm not fucking eating. I'm not eating owl shit. That's where I draw the line.
You dissect them and
Why the
figure out.
fuck is like? Why the fuck are the past 2 episodes have been like some type of butchered science class from middle school? What the fuck are you making me do?
I just want to know what these owls ate.
Okay, so I'm supposed to just like.
You gotta unwrap it, dissect one of them, and just see. There's probably bones in there.
Okay.
There's probably bones.
I guess this one looks.
Can we get the other? This is.
Okay. This is like opening up one of those Kinder eggs, but
Ooh,
getting
look at that!
a piece of shit inside.
Get in there. Ooh.
What the fuck? Oh,
Why is this?
what the fuck is all this? You kidding me?
That's poo poo.
Yeah, I understand it's poo poo. I'm saying what the fuck?
Ew!
What the fuck is this, dude? It's all like hairy and shit.
Oh,
Like,
that means you got a good one. The owl probably ate something. Oh my god, that's like a rat.
Ew.
That's a rat. Look at that.
Oh, what the
That's
fuck?
something.
It ate a fucking like gerbil, dude.
That's a head. Is that a head?
That's a head. That's a head with fucking teeth.
That's a head.
That's its teeth right there. That's
That's a head. Right there. That's a head.
okay.
Open another one.
What the fuck, dude?
Surprise! It's owl shit.
Oh shit. Dude, you're like getting off on this or something. I thought we were making a YouTube video and now I'm doing this fucking shit.
Oh yeah.
That one pretty much.
That's what I'm talking about. Right there.
That one had like nothing in it.
Wait a minute. I need it to be open. Are you drinking your life away? Ooh.
Fuck, dude. Don't.
Take it.
I'm not gonna just take it.
Take it. Take it. No, you can't do that. Take it.
I don't want to just take it. Fuck off. There's like we have like napkins and shit over
Then
here.
let me.
Here, take a napkin. Take a napkin. Just take that with a napkin. Just no. Get the fuck away. Great. Now there's an owl pellet lost in the. Stop. Stop. That's too far. That's too far. You're fucked up. Stop. That's a fucking baby skull, dude. You're making me fucking dissect owl shit. Like, I'm fine with wearing a bra and stuff, James, but like, what the fuck is that? That was like a little animal at some point. That was a fucking vermin at some point. You're making me dissect the fucking owl shit to see how it died. That's fucked up, man. That's like really fucked up shit you're making me do. Do we have more beer? Got you a gift.
Yeah?
Might want to open up. Wait, hold it like the other way, because it's gonna leak on you if you hold it. So you hold it up so it doesn't get all over the place.
What is it?
What is that?
Oh no! Fuck that!
Wow, that was an amazing episode on Amazon, the primetime show. I wore this thing on it. It's a training bra apparently. So that was cool, you guys. Make sure to check out more of our videos right over here. This microphone's not really on, but if it was, I'd be telling you to subscribe and you'd be able to hear me a lot better. Oh.